Everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I'm going to talk about changing the pollen filter from the 2018 to 2022 Toyota Camry. Before you get started, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon when you notify new videos, and if you like the video at the end, please help me out with thumbs up. Now that we got all the books and stuff out of the glove compartment, we want to remove the first enclosure. The first enclosure is like an L. So you're going to push on this tab over here and push it toward the right. Just be really careful on the end tabs over there on the left side, so you don't want to snap this. So now you have another enclosure, all right, and it's pointing up. Notice it's pointing up, and you're going to squeeze the tab. So you're going to push it to your left. Just squeeze it like this. Just pinch it. Just pinch it, and just like that. Then you can pull it out like that. Okay. So notice this is the filter. It's pointing up and it's in the housing. So my filter, pollen filter, is new, so I'm not going to take it out. So it's pointing upward with the OEM filter. So if you get different ones, you make sure you get know which direction it points to. So I'm just going to put this one back in and be really careful in putting this one in too. I spent a lot of time on this. If you push it in like that, it's not going to be tight. You have to push it in all the way through. It's going to be flush. It had to be totally flush on the sides, both left and right. Otherwise, you can't get the cover back in. So I spent some time trying to figure out how come my cover won't go back in. And, make sure both sides on the left and right are super tight and flush. So you have a little area that you could put this enclosure back in. Otherwise, it won't work. So I just wanted to point that out because it's a lesson learned also in this video. All right, so once you have it nice and flush, just put this thing over here. Notice it slides through on the left, and on the right over here, when you push it, it's going to click. See if I can push over here for you, just like that. You see this push and it clicks. Nice and tight, all right? So it's already clicked already, and you can feel it won't come back out, all right? And that's how you know that the enclosure is put in correctly. So next, you want to put the L enclosure back. I call it the L because it's like an L direction. You want to put the left side in first. So you just have to slide it in at an angle, just like that. All right. Try to hold the camera at the same time. All right. Then once you get that, it's going to be flush. Once you get that flush, then you want to push it. I'm going to show you that again. So you have to slide it in. You catch the other tabs. Then you push it in like that. And once you push all the way through, it should click. You see that click? That's all you need to do to change the pollen filter. But in reality, your filter has to be totally flush. Otherwise, you couldn't put the enclosure back in. And you can flow all your books and stuff back in. Hopefully, this video helps you out. Help you save you some money, save you some time. I really appreciate a thumbs up if you made it this far. If you liked the video, if you want to leave a comment to help others, please leave it below as well. And let's see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.